Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for March 15th. We are going to look at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair first. This particular pair closed down today, did form an inside bar, did fill the gap from the previous week. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways with a bias that is sideways. Look for it potentially to go up to 91.32, possibly as low as 89.81. Look for some resistance around 91.08 and look for some support around 90.15. Now, looking at the Euro-USD pair, this pair moved much lower, much quicker, did fill the gap from the previous week. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways with a bias that is sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 138.40, possibly as low as 135.60. Look for some resistance around 137.15 and look for some support around 136.25. Now, looking at the pound US dollar pair, this particular pair closed down. We are looking for it to continue moving sideways overall. Looking for this pair to move potentially as high as 152.85, possibly as low as 149.24. Look for some resistance around 151.50 and look for some support around 5,000. Now, looking at the U.S. Swiss, this pair has pulled back, filled the small gap that was created at the beginning of this new session. This pair is moving to the downside with a bias to the downside. Look for it to potentially go as high, though, as 1.0701, possibly as low as 1.0525. Look for some resistance around 1.0650 and look for some support around 1.0575. All right, as far as news announcements goes, we have the Eurozone releasing their consumer price index for February at 6 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it has moved higher from negative 0.8% to a positive 0.3%. Year to date, they're holding it at 0.9%. Now, we also have an FOMC announcement tomorrow at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Consensus is that the U.S. is going to hold their rate at 0.25%. Also have the Japanese, the Bank of Japan releasing their interest rate decision. No consensus on that, nor time given for that particular news announcement. Well, let's take a look at what we have for this next session. The Euro-USD created a swing trade, opportunity. Let me put up some different price points here. Now, over the past 3 sessions, we have a swing trade opportunity. We have a trend line, potential break of that trend line, look to go short. Kind of on the way down, what you can expect if we get a break here. We got a quick 10 pips, 9-10 pips there. Then about 28 pips down to around 48, down to 70, and then on down to 99, 100. So these are some good points. If you take this short, to look for it at this point, 10 pips. You could, if you wanted to, go to break even. It's pretty quick, but nonetheless, you could do it. Look down here and at each step, basically trail your stop so that as the market moves lower, you will continually move your stop loss until you hit this last little bit, which would be a good exit to take. But if it doesn't move all the way down, if it reverses at any point, you at least would be able to lock in some profit. Well, that about does it for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.